All right, look at that, identical Mustangs. And today we are going to be installing Can-Am air filter onto the Red Beauty right here, and we might mess with the exhaust too. We might put a straight pipes on it. All right, so let's pop the hood and replace old, put in the new. All right, here is a little kit. All we need to do is an install. Scan in. Should be pretty simple. Alright, the install is finished. Went pretty on easily, quickly. Basically got one screw right here, two, and the whole thing is done. And you just cap your in-cabin sound tube. Yeah. So she's all done. So now we're gonna crank her up and see how she sounds. Give us some gas. Sounds good, but let's hear the exhaust.
Okay.
Alright, stock exhaust. Alright, I think we can upgrade that, huh? Is a student driver. Alright, that's good. Alright, here are basically straight pipes that we're gonna put her on, and if it's too loud later on he can remove it or he can keep it on. But it's pretty simple to change. There's like one screw over there, a couple of brackets, and it should come off. Alright, the muffler is off. After 300 pounds we are gonna put something lighter and more louder. Here is the passenger side. You can see the difference in weight and size and everything. And here is the driver's side. All in total, should be a lighter car. Alright, go for it.
Let's go. Right? It sounds awesome.
Yeah, it sounds really good. We call that good, right?
Oh yeah, it sounds perfect.
thick, it should pull like a lot harder.
Barely louder before.
Nah, it's the same. Hasta luego. Alright, stock exhaust. Alright, I think we can upgrade that, huh?